Manufacturing the temperature data loggers is now easier. Temperature data logger manufacturers no longer need to certify their products. All they need to use is ISO IEC 17025-2017 calibrated sensor, STS32, STS33, or SHT33 from Sensirion. Calibration of Sensirion sensors according to ISO IEC 17025-2017. The Swiss Accreditation Service SAS, a public body of the Swiss government, has accredited Sensirion for calibration according to ISO IEC 17025-2017. All Sensirion STS32, STS33, and SHT33 temperature sensors are calibrated at three temperatures: T equals minus 30 degrees Celsius, T equals 5 degrees Celsius, and T equals 70 degrees Celsius. Every sensor is identified by its serial number, get serial number command. The manufacturer provides a calibration certificate for the entire package of sensors. For example, a roll of 2,500 pieces in PDF and CSV format. The certificate is available at the web address listed on the delivery note, says Miroslav Piskor, SOS Electronic Product Specialist. Sensirion STS33 and SHT33 temperature sensors have an accuracy better than plus minus 0.48 degrees Celsius at all three calibration points and are most suitable for frozen goods. The STS32 sensor provides accuracy at calibration points better than plus minus 1 degree Celsius at minus 30 degrees Celsius, plus minus 0.4 degrees Celsius at 5 degrees Celsius, and plus minus 0.45 degrees Celsius at 70 degrees Celsius, which is well suited for refrigerated goods. How and with what to start the development? Standard STS3X and SHT3X sensors have the same features as calibrated ISO IEC, and thus you can start your development with standard sensors. If you prefer to use the STS32, 33, or SHT33 sensor instead, we will be happy to provide you with free samples for your project. Currently, however, the mentioned temperature sensors are only available in rolls of 2,500 pieces. We cannot deliver smaller quantities yet, continues Miroslav Piskor, product specialist at SOS Electronic. Features of calibrated sensors by Sensirion. Each sensor is calibrated at three temperatures. Calibration certificate according to ISO 17025-2017, NIST traceability. I2C interface with a communication speed of up to 1 MHz and two user-selectable addresses. Wide supply voltage range from 2.15 volts to 5.5 volts. Accuracy of up to plus minus 0.4 degrees Celsius. Miniature 8-pin DFN package. If you need more information about Sensirion products, contact your SOS Electronic sales representative in your region or email us at sensirion@soselectronic.com. We will be happy to assist you.